Lyttos Mare Crete, Greece. Discover the warm Cretan welcome of Lyttos Mare Exclusive, a luxury 5-star beach resort situated on Northern Crete, one of Greece's most beautiful islands, offering relaxing holidays by the sea. Nestled amongst flowing pools and beautiful natural surroundings, Lyttos Mare Resort is an ideal place to explore Crete. Situated a short distance from the vibrant, buzzing Hersonissos and close to the most fascinating sights of Crete, Lyttos Mare Resort is a great choice if you are looking to relax, discover, feel, and experience Crete. With warm touches of elegance interlaced throughout the hotel, our hospitality is an invitation to a unique holiday experience. Lyttos Mare in Hersonissos offers a private beach area and direct beachfront access. Guests enjoy stunning sea views and a saltwater swimming pool. Rooms include air conditioning, private bathrooms, and modern amenities. Family rooms and a kids club cater to all guests. Enhance your stay at Lyttos Mare Exclusive Resort, a 5-star all-inclusive beachfront resort in Crete, where the long sandy beach is outfitted with natural gardens, flowing pools, impeccable personalized service, world-class amenities, and facilities. The restaurant serves Greek, Asian, European, and barbecue grill cuisines. Breakfast options include vegetarian, vegan, and gluten-free choices. Taking inspiration from Greek gastronomy and the richness of the Cretan land, Lyttos Mare Exclusive Beach Resort introduces a high-end culinary experience and a perfect blend of international cuisine based on fresh ingredients. Whether you are looking for flavorful comfort food or exceptional menus paired with unique wines and desserts, our chefs create a tasty journey that starts every morning at our breakfast and ends with a fine dinner under the stars. Take your pick from a wide range of tastes at our 5 outstanding restaurants and experience multiple elevated gastronomic experiences. In order to provide the utmost satisfaction, all food is freshly made each day, and we provide ample selections for those who are vegetarian, pescatarian, or vegan. For those who are sensitive to gluten or lactose, we also offer suitable options at each of our restaurants. Please do not hesitate to make special requests for food intolerances or allergies. We are here to make your experience as pleasant as possible. The hotel features spa facilities, a fitness center, a sun terrace, and a family-friendly restaurant. Free Wi-Fi is available throughout the property. Unwind and rejuvenate at Lyttos Mare Spa, which offers an immersive, holistic experience in an extraordinary setting where all senses awaken. Our luxurious 1,500 square meter spa holds time at a standstill, providing an oasis for relaxation and detoxifying the body. With a prime beachfront location, Lyttos Mare is the perfect place to experience Crete in a unique way. With an extensive offering of activities including water sports, biking, wellness, and sports activities, make the best of your holiday. A holiday filled with fun and sports awaits you at Lyttos Mare. When taking in the sun, beach time, and lounging by the pool aren't enough on your luxury family holiday, go for an exciting sport. Challenge yourself and stay active during your stay. Take your pick from a variety of indoor and outdoor activities curated specially for you. Our state-of-the-art wellness spaces and facilities are designed to soothe the soul, energize mind and body, and help you reconnect with the world around you. Take some time to indulge in a range of signature spa treatments, or stay fit with a session at the gym. Experience the excitement of playing paddle at our premises, which boasts 4 stunning outdoor paddle courts, each offering panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. These beautifully designed courts are equipped with top-notch lighting systems, ensuring you can enjoy exciting matches. The gym of Lyttos Mare Resort is a state-of-the-art gym that is fully equipped with high technology and aesthetics, making it the perfect place to boost your energy and feel beautiful and strong. Whether you are an expert or a beginner, our gym offers anything you wish for your daily sports and exercise needs, from yoga and Pilates to aqua, Zumba, and more.